Hi everybody, this is Dr. Saxena with our nurse Mary. We're going to demonstrate how to inject your semaglutide and cyanocobalamin. So first you want to get your materials ready. You're going to open up your medicine bottle and you are going to remove the vial. You're going to remove the top, and then the next thing you're going to do is take an alcohol prep pad, and you want to very carefully and very completely clean the top of that, because you don't want any bacteria on that before you inject that into yourself. Next, we're going to look at our syringe. It should be a syringe. It's got a plunger on it, and you can see how the plunger goes up and down, and that there are lines here, 5, 10, 15, and so forth. Now the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to inject some air into your vial, because you don't want to create a vacuum. So you very carefully remove the cap. Notice how she's holding the vial between her thumb and pointer finger and middle finger, and then she injects in. She's going to go slower now to make sure that you all catch this. Now, notice how she's drawing back the liquid, and your first dose is going to be at the 5. So you can pull it past the 5 and then take it to the 5 mark. And then what you're going to do is slowly remove the needle. Notice how she's moving slow to avoid sticking herself. She puts the vial down, and now this is ready for injection.